welcome back. I am going to be doing my first grocery haul in the year 2021, and I feel like everyone did their grocery shopping today. It was a madhouse, but everyone's trying to be healthy, and I can totally appreciate that. I love that. So I hope the lighting is okay in this video. It's like 4:30, so I have a studio light over here, and it's kind of just wonky lighting. So hopefully with the magic of editing, you won't even notice. But I did a pretty large grocery haul. If you watch my vlogs, you would have seen I like cleaned out my freezer and just, yeah. And then I also wanted to try a new grocery store. So I went to Aldi's and then I went to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is my go-to. I go there all the time. I still feel like with my experience today at Aldi's, it just wasn't anything like good, but also I feel as though it could have been like the fact that it's Monday and it's the new year and everyone's just trying to get all the produce and whatnot. So again, I'll show you everything that I got and let's get into it. So we're gonna start with protein, our protein sources. Right now, like our goal is to eat pretty lower on the end of carbs. Like we still have healthy, good carbs in here, but more like meats and veggies. That's kind of like our main thing. So let me show you what I got. And of course we still have some things in the freezer and fridge, but these are just some extra things, but this is a pretty large haul for us. So I'll also say where I got the things from and yeah, we'll go from there. So these chicken sausages from Trader Joe's are the greatest thing in the entire world. Really, really, really great source of protein and pretty low fat. I love them. So this one is the smoked andouille, I don't know. They're really spicy and good. So I got these ones. I got the spicy Italian chicken sausage and then the spicy jalapeno. So yeah, these are the three that I got. We already have the sun-dried tomato in the thing, but these are just like a really great, good source of protein if you like sausage, but obviously some sausage is pretty fatty and this stuff, because it's chicken, is not too bad for you. So I love these. And really minimal ingredients as well. Like it's pretty basic ingredients. You can read all of them. So definitely recommend picking those up. They're a hidden gem at Trader Joe's. Another source of like processed meat or protein I got was some tofu. So I love these. These are the sriracha flavored tofu from Trader Joe's. They're really good, high source of protein. I also tried the organic baked teriyaki flavor, which I've never tried before, but I love these. I like to pan sear them in a hot cast iron pan, make them nice and crispy on the outside. You can throw them in like rice bowls, you can throw them in salads, whatever. These are just really awesome and a good source of protein, which is clearly the case here when I'm showing you all of our protein sources to start with. I did get this from Aldi's though. This is the Castlewood Reserve Oven Roasted Turkey Breast. I like having lunch meats on hand because it's a quick, easy way to just get something a little like salty and like high protein, low like fat normally, and pretty low in terms of calories as well. So I really like this. This was just a really big serving size and it was a pretty good price. So I picked this up. I've never tried this one, but I do love the ones from Trader Joe's. But we figured we'd try that this week. This is a staple. I pick up at least 2 of these every time we go grocery shopping. I go through at least 2 of these every single week, if not more. These are just the ground turkey. I get the 93.7, but whatever you can get. I wish they create them in larger sizes, but typically the larger sizes around me are like 85-15, and I'm trying to go for a little bit more lean. So these are just an awesome, quick and easy like skillet meal that you can throw together. I love ground turkey. A lot of people don't think it tastes that great, but I actually really enjoy this. I got this from Aldi's as well, so we'll see how I like this. It does seem like it has a little bit of like the silver skin on it or whatever you call that, but Scott can remove that. This is just a twin pack of the boneless pork tenderloins. For tenderloins, again, pretty low fat. It's a pretty lean sort of low calorie pack of protein. So yeah, I feel like protein. Okay, I'll stop saying that so much. Except for, no, I will talk about the fact of how great scallops are. So We had these scallops, these are also from Aldi's. We had these scallops when we were at my dad's in New York, and I really liked them. And then I had scallops the other night when we went out to dinner, and then I looked at the nutrition facts of them. They're so like macro friendly, it's insane. So yeah, for one serving of these, which is 7 ounces, 100 calories, 1 gram of fat, and 19 grams of protein. That's pretty freaking nuts. So I picked up 2 bags of these jumbo scallops. We'll probably eat those up sometime this week. I picked up just a giant thing of chicken, just a chicken breast, all natural chicken breast. I also got some free range grade A eggs. These were really affordable. Both of these were also from Aldi. So got those. That's all of our protein. Ugh. I'm just gonna slowly start moving stuff backwards. Let's get into produce, and the rest of this haul basically is mostly produce. So let's just go through the rest of everything. Some lemons. I like lemons in my water every day. I think it just helps spice things up and keep things not so boring. So I love lemons in my lemon water. Sweet potatoes. These are from Trader Joe's. These I make Arlo's baby food, and one of his meals is mostly comprised of sweet potatoes as the base. Got some little tiny oranges. These are just good with, you know, everybody being like sick and this winter. It's nice to get some vitamin C in there, as well as Scott likes to make mixed drinks with little oranges. So those jalapenos, I get this bag from Trader Joe's just because we pretty much always go through it. Like maybe once every 2 weeks we get another bag of these. They're really nice. You just never know how hot they're gonna be, which is kind of alarming, but they're good. And we're planning on doing some shrimp tacos this week, which you won't see the ingredients for that, really all of it, because we have most of it. So that's that. I got a giant head of cauliflower. We love to do cauliflower purees. It's just an easy, quick way to not eat as many carbs like with potatoes. Got some organic beets. We have not had these in a while, but these are just from Trader Joe's, some beets. I got these tomato on the vines because they looked so yum. So I'm excited for those. Butternut squash, because again, a good way to feel like you're eating a lot of carbs, but you're not. Trick yourself. So I like the chopped up ones, but my fiance will chop them up for me, so that works for me. Next thing we've got is some broccolini. We prefer broccolini over broccoli, whatever. You can get this from Trader Joe's. It's a lot more tender. It's nice to saute instead of roast, but either way, it's just so good. So I got the last 2 packs of these because my Trader Joe's was wiped out of produce. Got some of these fancy carrots, which I really like to pan sear these with a little bit of like honey and things like that. It's just really yummy. But they're just fancy carrots. Picked these up at Aldi's, or this up at Aldi's. It's the Great Northern beans. I like to throw beans in with one of Arlo's baby food as well, like sweet potato, beans, and then some other vegetable, just to kind of bulk it up, give it some protein, a little bit of fat, all that good stuff. So beans for the little man. I got avocados. This is one thing I did find at Aldi's, and they were like 39 cents for an avocado. So that's a good deal. I got 4 of those. Sorry about the plastic bags as well. I didn't know I could start bringing my own bags now, so I did bring my own like giant bag, but some people are so weird about the produce bags, but I do have reusable produce bags, which I will leave listed down below for you guys if you're looking for some good ones. I highly recommend doing them, but these are nice because we do reuse these bags as well. So either way, red bell peppers. I pretty much eat one of these every single day. So I got 4 of these guys. They're 99 cents at Trader Joe's. Really, really good. Great source of vitamin C, all that good stuff for your micronutrients. Some bananas. I'm not a huge banana fan, but Scott really likes bananas, and so does Arlo. So we got some bananas. I got some of this organic shredded green and red cabbage with orange carrots. We use this for our slaw to go with our shrimp tacos. So that's that. And then some cilantro as well to go with that. So this is a big bunch of cilantro from Trader Joe's. Some garlic, because we needed a little bit more garlic, I believe. I can't remember, so I just picked up another one. I got some cremini mushrooms. Again, no real plans with these, but we will just use them. We always just eat a plethora of vegetables, so I figured the more the merrier. The more I have in the fridge for Scott, the more he's like creative and thinks about things. So I have to get him random things. This has been our favorite granola. This is the second bag that I bought. This is the grainless granola from Trader Joe's. Really like it. Lower in terms of like carbohydrates and higher in terms of protein and fat, but I really like it. It's super sweet and it has a little hint of some saltiness as well. It's really good. So check this out if you're looking for a new granola. Granola is super high in like everything. It's not the best for you, but it's good to have. We use it sometimes if we have a little bit of extra, you know, haven't eaten enough for the day, and we'll have some for dessert with some fruits. So the fruit that I picked up this week, besides the oranges and the lemons, I picked up some raspberries. So I just got this little carton, and I want to say this was a pretty good price from Aldi. And then I also got some strawberries. I don't think it's like super strawberry season, but Arlo really likes these, and berries are just good to have on hand, and they actually don't smell, they smell pretty good, so that's a good sign. Got some Honeycrisp apples. Again, Trader Joe's was wiped out of freaking apples. Got some just like sweet onions. We have 3 of these. Never have too many. I always love to keep onions on hand. And then also from Aldi, I picked up some of these little pouches. Arlo doesn't typically eat these on a day-to-day basis. Like, he actually doesn't. We keep these in like the diaper bag and stuff when we're like on the go and he needs something quick and easy. So when we travel, we just got back from traveling and we used up a lot of them. So I just picked up 3 more. I've never tried this brand before, but it's called Little Journey. This one's a banana, apple, apricot with rice. This one's apple, peach, banana with yogurt. And and this one is pear, apple, and broccoli. So they're just organic little pouches, super quick and easy to have, like I said, on the go. Scott wanted to do like wraps and things for lunch, so I got these protein wraps plain for him. I don't know, we've never tried them before, so I can't tell you if they're good or not, but we got this from Aldi. And then also from Aldi, we got some almond milk. He likes to use this with his chocolate protein powder, so got that. We got my favorite snack. Yeah, I know, I have actually 8 because I dropped one of them, but I love seaweed, what can I say? A new coffee from Trader Joe's. We love all their small batch fair trade organic coffees that they have, and this one was whole bean, and I just grind it right in the store, and we use this to make cold brew. So this is a new one. This is a medium roast. It's smooth, silky body with notes of lemon, lime, chocolate, and honey. So I'm excited to turn this into some cold brew coffee. Yeah, if you're not making cold brew at home, you really need to, you guys. And if you want to me to show you like our setup in my next vlog, I will, let me know down below. I got 2 big things of yogurt, so we just get the fat-free Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. I got 2 of those, like I said. I get the full fat ones for Arlo, for like brain development and stuff, but for us, I get the non-fat. And then I also got some fat-free cottage cheese. This is such like a nice savory snack with like a little bit of pepper on it. I don't know, love it. So decided to pick that up. And then last but not least, some mineral waters. These are just the lime ones from Trader Joe's. I got a 2-pack of this. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that rounds up my grocery haul. I have not done a grocery haul on this channel, or it at all, in a very long time for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if there are other stores you want to see, or just different ideas that you want to do. We're going to come back with making more cook with me sort of videos with me and my fiance, where we're going to do more healthy style for you guys. So I hope you stay tuned and watch those. If you want to see more like weekly sort of grocery hauls, I can definitely do that, or anything else you want to see, let me know what I eat in the day, anything like that. I think 2021 is, or a new year in general, is just a nice way to like start fresh and start new. And I think it's not cliche. Like, if you feel inspired to do that and that's what it takes, then do it. You know what I mean? I think it's an awesome thing. So like when everyone was like, the grocery stores are so busy and like there's no produce, I was also like a little bit in the back of my head like, yes, go people of Dallas, like get yourself healthy. Like I think that's really cool. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this grocery haul. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you all are having a great 2021 so far, and I will see you all in my next video.